Mega Tower Car Wash Station. Please wash these 4 cars for me. They're completely covered in dirt.
Cars in position, lifting now.
They're up here.
Oh no, we're out of water! Let's replace the tank! Perfect! Release the soapy water now!
Hell yeah! I'm back to life.
Look, the 2 cars below are still dirty.
Okay, move the lift and water tanks then!
Whoa! This wash is great.
Finally, no more sand.
The wash is complete! Please move on to the next step!
Brush wash section is ready.
Your car is good to go now.
Wow, they're shining now. Your service is great.
Please wash my car quick.
Stains are stuck all over the car! But our equipment is gradually washing them away!
Thank you for choosing our car wash station.
Today, Ultimate Tug-of-War brings 5 tough competitors. 2 slopes, 3 terrains. Who'll be the champion? Round 1, Sawdust Slopes. Garbage Truck. Racing Car. Formula Car. 1 against 2. Who will win? Fight. These cars are taking the lead.
Oh no, I'm gonna lose.
Garbage Truck is struggling to fight.
We're gonna win, buddy.
Garbage Truck turned the tables.
No. Help me.
No hope for Racing Car and Formula Car. The winner is Garbage Truck. How was round 1 set up? Sawdust. Shredder Machine. Jelly. Round 2, Slime Slopes. It's Bulldozer.
The champion is here.
Fight. Garbage truck, keep going. Bulldozer, you got this.
It's too slippery.
Garbage truck is heading for victory.
More power.
Both are in a fierce struggle.
I'm about to fall.
Bulldozer failed.
It can't be.
I'm so awesome.
Garbage truck wins again. Let's build the conveyor belt. Round 3, conveyor belts. Next competitor, monster truck. Fight. Monster truck looks very formidable. Not easy at all. Conveyor belts are holding both cars back.
I have an idea.
What's that? The hook is pulling monster truck forward.
He's cheating.
No cheating allowed. So, we have no champion today.
Mr. Hand, let's go out together. Okay. It's so dirty. Can you help me wash this car? Okay. Wow! Thank you.
I'm almost done building this chair car. Let's see how this chair car runs. Wow, this is the most modern armchair ever. I'm gonna test the reclining function too.
Huh?
I forgot to go to Walmart for Black Friday sale. Let's go!
2 hours ago.
Just $100, and you can grab this exclusive Mr. Bean's chair car right now. Act fast.
I'll make my own chair car.
An accident just occurred here, spilling toxic slime across the road and blocking traffic.
Oh no, I have to get through all this slime. I've passed the first slime. Easy peasy. Here I come, Walmart. Oh no, the road ahead is flooded. Help me. Somebody, help me out of here.
Bed car has arrived.
Oh!
We will save you, buddy.
My saviors are here.
Whoa!
Thank you so much. Let's keep going to Walmart.
Oh no. How to save our bed car now?